Here's a little Case 300 that I bought down to Greens last month. I tried starting down there and it wouldn't do nothing. Got home, got checking. Look at there. There's my gas flow. I just put a gallon and a half in. That's all it's coming out. So we got to cure that. Put the saddle bowl back on. Then it might run. Let's see if it'll work. Got a piece of hose.
Well, it worked. What I was doing, it worked, but I bumped the camera and got it out of line, and then I guess the battery died on the camera. The tractor did start up, but I drove it off the trailer, and it ran good for a while, but I kind of messed this thing all up real good and proper. So I had to do it again because the gas line plugged up again. So we'll see what happens later.
Well, I didn't get far. That's as far as I got. Looks like the sediment bowl's tank's plugged up again. Got some water. Sediment bowl was full of water. Now it don't even come out. Well, I'm going to try again. I messed up and banged my camera on my hat on the gas tank and couldn't see nothing. Then the battery died and so I didn't get nothing, but I think I'll put that there and maybe you can see what I did. Take a hose and you stick it up there. The center of the sediment bowl nice and tight. And then you give it a puff. There we got it. Blew the dirt out of it. Now if I shut it off, you reckon it'll plug up again? Most likely. I was going to try to get around in front of the barn over there and pump front tires up. And I got to fix a hydraulic hose that's busted on this thing. Probably have to take the gas tank off, shake it out a little. Yeah, it still runs. Tighten it up good. Must have a good gasket in it. It does tighten up. Well, look at the water filling up in there. I should have drained the tank first. Oh well, we'll shut this off a minute and I'll get on there and start it up and see what happens again. Alright, looky there. We got enough rain to get my seat wet. And that's all. Alright. How about that? I got where I wanted to go. Here, I guess I'm going to be doing an educational video. How to put air in the tire. Ain't too difficult. Yeah, thing's got brand new front tires on it. And good back tires. And I don't know. My wife kind of disapproved me of getting this thing. But, after I bought it, people wanted to buy some things off of it. And I had some other parts here at home just like was on this one. So, I sold some things. Now I got a whole $125 in this tractor and loader. I don't know, that ain't so awful bad. Alright, that's how you put air in a tire. Alright, that's enough. Well, good afternoon. Working on the little old Case 300 I bought down to the auction last month. I got the hydraulic hose here replaced. The old one had a hole in it. This brand new hose, a little bit long, but I got them at that farm sale last month. Got a half a dozen new hoses like that for $1. So there's no point going to town and spending $15 or $20 for a shorter hose. That'll work. Anyhow, got the gas tank off. Took it off. Got to can the funnel and put most of the gas in there. And maybe a little water, but then I turned it back over. Had water run out all over the place. So most of the water didn't get in the gas can. I'll let it settle a while. And got the tank over here. Yeah, I don't know. I can see in there partially. Well, the thing's getting hot. It's going to get dried out. I don't know whether you can see anything in there or not. But there's a little light rust in there. And I took the air gun there and blow on it and get most of it out. And got the sediment bowl. It looks pretty miserable. It wasn't leaking. But I'm going to... I got some screen wire over at the other barn. Go get a little piece of screen, roll it up, and stick it in there, so that way the chunks of rust won't plug it up, and the gas will still get in. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'll have it running pretty soon. It might take a while to get the dirt out of it. Well, there's what I do with these old dirty gas tanks. A little piece of screen wire rolled up, stuffed in there. It'll let plenty of gas through, but it'll stop the dirt and the rust for several years before it plugs up. Alright, now I got to screw it back in here and put it back on the tractor and hook it up and see what happens. Alright, gotta get out of the sun, it's getting hot out there. Well, I got it back together. We'll see what happens. Oh, that's good enough for now. Gotta go down and get some hydraulic oil. Alright. Oh. Like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube. And I'll get another case tractor or something running. That's all. Oh, one more thing. I got all the hood for this tractor. And it wasn't on there because they got a combine engine in it, which I guess is 2 inches longer and the hood won't fit. Now, sure looks like it'd be a close fit right here, but oh, I gotta figure out how to put the hood on. There, the loader's down all the way like it belongs. But to put the hood on, I'm gonna have to change the exhaust there, the muffler, change it to a down exhaust and put it underneath, so that way I don't have to cut a hole in the hood, which it originally didn't have a hole in the hood. And I think I can get it all on there and probably get back to right about this place right here, and maybe put like a 2-inch extension here someplace and then have the hood with a little gap. Might not look too bad. I know it's got the original headlights that sat here. They're good on the hood. Oh, anyhow, that's what I got. And I don't know. You reckon I ought to send that poor old man some money because I didn't pay much for this thing or not? Oh well. I guess he was willing to sell it for $400, and I guess $3 1/4, so that was close. Alright, that's all.